Okay, today we will talk about how to download a PDF from your Google Drive with the view only. As you can see here, this is shared to me via my other Gmail account, and this is the file details. You can see here that um, there's a new information that I don't know, and this is you can download even though you have the permission for view only, and you can open this file that has shared to you, and there is this download button. And if you do not have this download button, you can download this extension in the Google Chrome. This extension, you can see it in the Google Chrome extensions. You can use it to download the view only files that has no download button like this one. Just click the extension for that and then you can download this as a PDF file, and then there you have it. You can now open this as a PDF, and you can now download it on your computer, and I will show you just step by step. uh, First I will share some files with my other account. Like this is the step by step. You'll be needing a PDF file, and then you will click this share button, and I will just remove this access, and I will add the access, and I will set this as a viewer only or view only, and then I will go to the recent account and click the share with me. As you can see, this is the one that I have shared on this account, and it says here that it's viewers can download and then open, and then there you have the download button. But if you do not have, again, if you do not have it, go to the manage extension and just download this download, or you just need to open this and go to your extensions, the document preview, and then you can download this as a PDF file. Again, the name is document preview exporter from Google Drive. So that's it. That's how you can download your PDF file C.